Okay, so to access a course on Yaaka on your mobile phone, first you need to log in. You come and click on login. Then you can sign in with your Google account or log in with your email. Okay, so I'll just put in my details here. And then your password. And then you click on sign in. So as soon as you come to, it will load you into your front end, and then make sure you're under my courses here, which is at the bottom here, and under your enrolled courses, when you scroll down, you should be able to see that multimedia and digital skills course for journalists. And then you click on start course. Okay, then this is the overview of the course, and then here we have the curriculum on the left, and you can see the different course units that you shall be able to access at your own time and at your own pace. Okay, so when I click here on start course again, this is the first unit that you'll be able to see. Okay, and you can scroll to the bottom to see the full course material. Okay, we have reading materials. Okay, and then below we have the next unit, which is the introduction to multimedia and multimedia storytelling. So you can click on it and you'll be able to access the content under there. So that is how you access the course on mobile. Thank you.